palette, I have broken out the BH Cosmetic Zodiac Palette. This is the first one. I do want to get the new one, the newest one. And I also want to get some of the monthly like zodiac sign ones, but I'm on a low buy, and I'm probably gonna wait because I think once it's the end of the year they'll do, you know, they do tons of sales, but I feel like there'll be like bundle options going on, and I want to see which other months come out and which ones I would want, and I don't have a problem waiting. So in the meantime, I wanted to bring this out to kind of show you what you can do with it. I absolutely love BH Cosmetics. I have forever, but I really love their baked shadows, and I think this is a great palette because it has some of their gorgeous baked shadows, which are pretty dry, but for the most part I think that their baked shadows really pop when they're wet. I did this eye look with it, and then this one has these great mattes and this highlight that I used, so I really feel like this is a steal. And I know for sure like you can get it at Ulta, but you can get this on sale for real, but it's definitely in the 20-ish or less dollar range, and the quality is amazing. So I would say that overall the mattes are great. They do blend well. Like I said, you do have to sometimes be careful. Like this one was a little bit soft, so you can't go like in super ham with some of them. Like I said, I used, outside of these really dark mattes, I used every color in here for these looks. I don't know if I used this Aries color or not, but I did use that. Yeah, I did. At the end of the day, it's a great palette. If you get any of their baked shadows, honestly, it's great. I just like that there's mattes in there that really complement the highlights. Nice. I do just feel like you need to wet your brush, or what I do is I go in and sort of swirl. You can see in this one, like I swirl my brush around and then I wet it, and then as I go back in, I may wet it a little bit more if need be, but overall I love this palette. Let me know if you have this palette and you like it. Let me know if you have the new Zodiac palette or any of the monthly zodiac sign palettes, and which ones that you might suggest to me. I'd really love to know that. If you haven't subscribed, please do so, and if you have, thank you so much. We'll get to the 3 looks, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.
too demanding or too greedy, your mind is not rich and self-sufficient. When your mind becomes demanding, when you long for something, you will end up violating your own precepts, not to tell lies, not to steal, not to kill, not to be immoral, and so forth. If you keep your original mind, precepts will keep themselves. The beginner's mind is the mind of compassion. When our mind is compassionate, it is boundless. This is also the real secret of the arts. Always be a beginner. Be very, very careful about this point.